follow this simple method to draw the perfect outline of your any reference. So first of all, you need to draw two lines which are perpendicular to each other, and for lips I'm saying that. So for beginning of drawing lips, you just need to draw the inner line of the lips, where you want to end your lips and how your mouth should look like. That line, that curve should indicate that. So on x or y axis, we can clearly define how broad and how bulgy you want your lips to be, and depending upon your basic primary size of paper and how big you want to draw. So don't worry, this is the simple method to draw the outline of the lips. You just follow the video which I am explaining you, and it becomes very important to draw the basic details which you observe in the reference image. So these are the indication lines which I have found in my reference image. Don't forget to watch my next video. In that I'll be explaining you at real time how you can draw realistic lips with complete charcoal. Hope you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching.